What is the significance of JP Morgan's warnings? What is causing the crypto space to heat up with all of these crash talks? Is it all going to come crashing down? Should we keep investing in cryptocurrencies? We can all attest to the fact that in the cryptocurrency world, we may make a lot of money as well as lose a lot of money. More people want to invest in cryptocurrency, but some are concerned that it could crash one day. Is this the end of cryptocurrency? In today's video, we'll find out. The sharp drop in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies follows a flurry of unfavorable stories and events, including analysts at investment bank JP Morgan Chase warning clients that the cryptocurrency market appears overheated following a significant gain in assets in August. Despite this, if you listen carefully, you will always hear people remark, "Do the opposite of what JP Morgan suggests. They are the biggest cartel lurking in plain sight." When JP Morgan expresses concern, it suggests they're preparing to buy the discount that the newbies will give them when they sell. Altcoin trade accounted for approximately 22% of overall crypto market activity at the beginning of August, and has since increased to approximately 33%. As a result, many cryptocurrency traders are pleased with the higher value. The value of one of the world's most precious cryptocurrencies is plummeting, and the SEC case is to blame. The price volatility of XRP has rivaled that of the most volatile cryptocurrencies. Since hitting an all-time high of $3.84 in January 2018, the coin has spent the most of the last 2 years floating closer and closer to pennies. XRP had its largest surge in years, but those gains were wiped out by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse's revelation that the SEC was intending to bring a broad lawsuit against the business. And this has been a source of concern for investors ever since. With all of this going on, keep in mind that cryptos continue to grow and new coins emerge from time to time. This begs the question, who would be ready to invest in a business that is guaranteed to fail? Or is this all a big cover-up? Here is a definition of a crypto crash to help you understand what it is. A crypto market crash is a precipitous drop in the price of cryptocurrency caused by fear of worse things happening in the market. Essentially, following the initial price drop, news of a further price drop causes stress. As a result, investors begin selling their cryptos in large numbers in an attempt to limit their losses. As a result, supply quickly outnumbers demand, causing a downward spiral. The cryptocurrency market, like all markets, experiences ups and downs. These movements are caused by a variety of variables that are difficult to predict. Much now, when it is selling at significant discounts, bad news from any of the major economies, a hack of a major crypto exchange, or pretty much anything else can send it crashing down even farther. Several crashes have occurred in the cryptocurrency industry over the last decade. The first was in November 2013 when Mt. Gox was hacked. The top cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, fell by 86.9% following the 2013 breach, while it fell by 86.3% in 2017. Following date. Examining previous crypto market crashes allows you to quickly understand about the most typical causes of crypto market crashes. It also allows you to predict whether or not a crash will occur again. Following the uncertainty caused by the COVID-19 epidemic, the cryptocurrency market, along with other markets, plummeted in March 2020. However, this was short-lived, as the market had already eclipsed its all-time highs by the end of the year. The rebound was caused by a number of variables, the most important of which was the need for a fresh source of diversity. Interest rates have been historically low for nearly a decade, and with the vigorous stimulus initiatives that accompanied the pandemic, fears of hyperinflation grew. With gold, bonds, and other safe havens becoming more connected with stock markets, the demand for an alternative has grown even more pressing. Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency in general, has become a very appealing option. This resulted in a market rebound in late 2020 and throughout 2021. It's unclear whether this will continue after the May catastrophe. Another collision is always a possibility. Prior to May of this year, the cryptocurrency market was heating up, and there were fears that it was in a bubble. The market capitalization had surpassed $2 trillion, and meme tokens with little to no underlying value had reached all-time highs. When Elon Musk expressed concerns about Bitcoin's environmental impact, the bubble broke. In May, he said that Tesla will no longer accept cryptocurrency payments due to environmental concerns. The Chinese government was also sanctioned in June 2021 for dealing and mining Bitcoin. Payments to cryptocurrency exchanges are being blocked by UK banks. In June, Donald Trump called Bitcoin a scam that was fighting with the dollar to be the world's currency. FBI investigators apprehended crooks with millions of dollars in Bitcoin. Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, has been blacklisted by the UK Financial Authority. In August, the IMF issued a warning to nations that utilize cryptocurrencies as legal cash, stating that widespread adoption would jeopardize macroeconomic stability and potentially jeopardize financial integrity. Poly Network, a crypto heist, stole $600 million in August, only to return more than a third of it 4 days later, claiming they did it for fun and to highlight the vulnerability in the system before others. In a wide-ranging interview with Bloomberg TV, legendary investor John Paulson slammed cryptocurrency and endorsed gold. He referred to cryptocurrency as a restricted supply of nothing, referring to the set quantity of some coins. John claims that cryptocurrencies, no matter where they are traded today, will soon be worthless. They will return to zero once the euphoria wears off or liquidity runs out. I would not advise anyone to invest in cryptocurrencies. When asked why he doesn't merely short crypto, Paulson cited the asset class's high volatility, claiming that a short bet may bankrupt him in the short term even if he was proven correct in the long run. Paulson, who has previously favored buying gold, told Bloomberg that he is even more optimistic on the precious metal, citing its proclivity to do well during periods of high inflation. The cryptocurrency market has fallen, and investors are now waiting for it to bottom out. In such a turbulent market, anything can happen, but the next possible move is upwards. That is, unless something catastrophic occurs, causing it to collapse even further. There is 12 years of data demonstrating that the prices of cryptos continue to rise. The cryptocurrency market is quite volatile. However, there have recently been more good headlines that have pushed the price higher. In March, Morgan Stanley became the first major U.S. bank to allow wealthy clients access to Bitcoin funds. However, this was limited to no more than 2.5% of an investor's total net worth. Elon Musk stated in June that Tesla will likely accept Bitcoin payments again after more than 50% of its energy consumption is derived from renewable sources. Amazon published a job listing for a digital currency and blockchain product lead, fueling suspicion that the company may soon accept Bitcoin as payment. El Salvador has made Bitcoin legal tender as of September 7th, with Bitcoin down over 50% and other altcoins down by up to 70%. The market is at an intriguing level for value investors. Will there be another crash now that the market is showing signs of recovery? Cryptocurrency is not an asset class that operates in an ideal world. It is possible that, like other markets, it will crash several times in the future. Will it, however, completely collapse? The question of whether cryptocurrencies are large enough to pose a systemic risk is now being debated at the highest levels of central banks and governments. With the market value of cryptocurrencies approaching $2 trillion, cryptos are too huge to fail at this moment, and it may appear that everyone is gloomy about the crypto market at this point, when the market has been crashing for over 2 months. However, this is not the case. While beginner investors may be selling at a loss due to panic, institutional players, smart money, are entering the cryptocurrency market. You'll see that many of them are currently investing in cryptocurrency, either directly or through derivatives. This is a good sign that the market is on its way back up. Will the cryptocurrency market recover? When will it do so? And is now a good moment to stick or twist? Do you own any XRP? Please let us know in the comments section below, as well as why you would continue to invest in it. If you want to learn more about XRP and other cryptocurrencies, there are 2 more movies waiting for you on the final screen. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. Thank you for viewing. I'll see you in the future video. Before we conclude, please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices change regularly. So by the time you see this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. This video's material does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not treat it as such. The information in this video is provided solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. Before making any investment decisions, complete your own due diligence and talk with your financial advisor.